3, 2, 1.
What's going on, everybody? So today is the day we got to change the oil on this baby. So it's very simple. Let me show you really quick. The ground is kind of wet today. It rained here over the weekend, but I got this little cardboard thing, so it's pretty simple. So let me show you. You got to take those 3 filters out. There's 2 filters over there on the bottom. There's that white one over there, that big one, that's the fuel filter, and then over there, the other one right there, that's a secondary fuel filter. You got to take that out and we should be good. So we're gonna start removing this cap first. You know, it's the best way to do it. I kind of just like take it. People put it on the side. I just unscrew it and then I just leave it on top like this, so the air can flow. I work in buckets, so I got my 2 5-gallon buckets here. We're gonna be sticking underneath. Best thing to do, obviously, you need a funnel. Then you guys also need one of these wrenches to unscrew the filters. And I use this to pop the filters open, of course, rag, all that stuff. Got to grab a hammer. But guys, we're good. We got our oil right here. This is what I use, the mobile dill vac. And then we got a 5-gallon bucket right here. And then here are my filters, the bypass. They didn't have the Volvo one, so we got the Mac. They're interchangeable, they say, so it's not that big deal. And then we got our diesel over there to fill up the. We got our diesel to fill up the fuel filters, and this thing is what I put underneath the truck, so I don't have to put my my back on all this wet ground over here and everything. So it's gonna be a little bit easier to work, but hey, I'll walk you through it. And yeah, let's do this, guys. So the guy had his truck started the whole time, so if it was loud, sorry, but he cut it off. So let's see. So we're gonna need this. We're gonna need these right here. So I just leave the stuff here, just like that. Bam, right there. This right here. These filters can't stand up because they're rounded on the bottom. So I just take this little box thing that, you know, homemade, easy, and I keep that near me as well, because then I put that down there. See? Then I can stand up the filters when I'm working by myself. Usually I got my dad helping me out, but you know, he's busy fishing today, so we're gonna let him fish. We're gonna let him relax. One of these, and we can just fill up the filters with oil. All right, guys, so I'm gonna pop these filters off and then go from there. 1, 2, 3. That's the drain valve, so you push it out and pull it down, and then the oil just flows through here. Just get one of these. They're awesome, very worth it. So just put it up right here like that and just start draining away. No mess. When you have a cool engine like this and the oil is not that hot, it takes a little bit longer to drain, but we should be okay. We got that second bucket right there. As you can see, it's starting to drain a little bit slower, but these ramps, they're awesome. Guys, you just get these ramps right here, homemade. Look at them. See, very simple. I did that last one long enough so I know that I still have enough space to drive on it, so just in case I don't drive off of it. We got to drain the water. This is the water separator, but we got to drain this fuel. Probably just means I over-tightened it. There you go. Guys, when you unscrew these filters, never grab them from up here because they're just gonna bend. Grab them here on the bottom a little bit, because that's where all the, I guess that's where the most density is in a way, if that makes any sense. So you actually get better, see, look at that. There, pop open. 2 fuel filters in there. We've got our oil filters on the other side. All that's left, guys, is just to go ahead, pour in the oil, and clear up everything else underneath the truck and start her up and see how she does. Took all those gallons, so we had a 5-gallon bucket, a 2.5 gallons, and a 1 gallon, so that's 8.5 gallons of oil. We're gonna get this thing off the ramps. We're gonna take everything underneath the truck and everything. We're gonna just clean everything up because it's a mess over there, and we're gonna pull this truck off the ramps, and then we'll start her up. We're gonna let it sit down for a little bit on level ground, and we should be good on the oil. Tomorrow we are heading on a trip, so you know, we'll check it then. We'll check it as soon as we get that going. Good. We are done. We parked. We hooked up and everything ready for tomorrow. But hey, right now we are headed towards the local dump area, I guess, here in our county. That's where I like to drop off my oil. They recycle it, so hey, why not recycle your oil? Don't just burn it or anything like that, guys. Bring it to a good spot. And that's it, guys. We're done. We're gonna go dump that oil out, and it's time for me to go home. So that was the day. And if you were curious how I do oil changes on my truck, that's how I do an oil change on my truck. And let's see. That is why. Look at that. Oh shoot, that's crazy. Look at that. That guy went in the ditch. That guy went in the ditch over there. You see that? That's crazy, man. I don't get how people mess this up, dude. There's always something going on over here. Anywho, there's always something interesting going on. Dang. All right, well, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like this content, you guys want to see more stuff about my truck, and you know, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think. So we'll see you later. Keep on trucking, guys, and you guys have a good one. God bless. All right, take care. Peace.